Hi friends, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell because then you'll be notified of all my videos. But today's video is a timed video, so I'm gonna hit my timer. Ready? There it goes. Okay, because we are gonna show you how to get ready for a Zoom meeting in less than 5 minutes. And if you only have less than a minute, this is what you do. Now it's sort of a backwards video. So the first thing you do is get your mascara on. Now, right now, this is Voluminous Lash Paradise from the drugstore. Just get it on right away, okay? So I'm just gonna put it on right away, okay? What a difference. If it's the only thing you can put on your mascara. Oh, and I just got a clump. See, things happen when you get ready in a hurry, but just do it. Put your mascara on, just like this. You don't even have to put it on the bottom, okay? Usually you put your mascara on last. Look at that. Seriously? Like, I already look 10 times better than I did at the beginning of this video. Okay, so continuing on, put a little on the bottom, like that. Okay, so there's your mascara. Now, I did get a little mascara clump right here, so gotta take the time, wipe it off a little bit. Okay, like that. But see, mistakes happen because we're going fast. Okay, then let's say you, okay, that's a problem. A little bit of a problem there. Okay, so the next thing you do is, oh, and by the way, if you have readers, this is a great way to look finished. Look at this. Put your glasses on. Hi, ready for my meeting. It just makes you look, it hides that you haven't put your eyebrows on. It hides that you only have mascara on. So put your readers on, that'll help. Okay, then obviously get a cute necklace on, but I like these button down shirts. They're called Portofino shirts from Express. And I did an Express video, you can watch that, but they look polished, they're not expensive, but it looks like you're ready for a professional meeting. Okay, so it's 1 minute 57, right? And look how far we've come. Okay, then eyebrows. I cannot stress to you enough. This is an Ardell little pack from the drugstore, and you've got to do your eyebrows. I'm sorry, it's just important. So what I do is I mix this darker color and this lighter, like mushroom color. Fill them in, ladies. And I'm not a huge eyebrow expert, but hey, you got to do it. Look at the difference. So again, just doing both of your eyebrows really quickly. Put them on, because it'll just look finished. It's anti-aging to fill in your brows, and it's just more of a polished look. I can't stress to you enough, you need to do your eyebrows, okay? So basically, just fill them in, just feathering strokes, nothing big, no big deal, okay? Just like that. Okay, so now your eyebrows are done. Okay, look how much better that looks. And then throw your glasses on. Hello, ready to go. Okay, third thing, get those lips on. You have to get your lips on because people are gonna be looking at your mouth while you're talking. So and this is, what is this? Bite. I'll list all the products below, but you have to put lipstick on, okay? The very least. So now you just got your eyelashes, eyebrows, and lipstick. How much better does that look, right? Okay, moving on. Okay, 3 minutes 27, we're going quick. Okay, next, let's go ahead and do those dark circles. This is Tarte Shape Tape. This is the OG. This is this is like, look at this. It's like a miracle. Gets rid of all those dark circles because I have zero makeup, zero on my face. And then I like to put a little on here and a little here if you've got the time. If not, just do under the eyes. And then I've got this little brush and you just fill it in just like this. And it just gets rid of all the redness, and it just makes you look more awake. It makes you look younger, gets rid of those dark circles. I just naturally have dark circles, so I gotta take care of this every time. Okay, and then fill this in. And if you don't have a brush, watch this. Just get those fingers in there and just blend it. And oh my gosh, okay, all right. Look at that. Looking better by the minute. Okay, then if you've got extra time, we're still only into this 4 minutes. If you have a duo, a highlight and contour duo, I love these so much. So go ahead and just do your contour. We don't have time to do foundation, okay? That's usually the first thing I would do. If you have the time in the morning, or the first thing, do your foundation, okay? So we're gonna do the easiest thing is just do the 3 up here. So you go like this and like that, right? Okay. So now, hello, now we have definition in our cheeks. We just gotta blend this in a little bit more. Put a little down the road, okay? How great is that? Then, if we have more time, we're gonna take this highlighter portion and we're just gonna take the highlight and highlight right here. And I did do a video on getting ready in 5 minutes using a contour palette. So check that out too. So, okay, so we're just doing a little highlighting, just like that. Now I'm gonna take my finger, well, I'll use a brush but if you don't have time, and I'm gonna use this same highlight right here, and I'm gonna use it underneath the brow bone right there, underneath the eyebrow. Just right there like that. Okay, so this is like a highlighter. Okay, all right, there you go. How great is that? Then if you have a little more time, again, we're building. As more time we have, we're gonna spend more time doing it. Okay, remember when I did my Costco video? This is the Costco eyeliner Julep in the color Orchid Shimmer. It's like a purple. Go ahead and do a little bit of eyeliner. That now that your mascara has dried, I love this eyeliner so much. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? It's like this purple color. So go ahead and do a little eyeliner if you've got the time. Start with the bottom, and then I'll do and put it right on my lid, right across the lid like this and over the crease like that. Look at how, hello. Look at the difference in my eyes. It's like, hi, right? So just run that right over the lid and right over the arch like this. It's just an easy, and it's a cream shadow. So you really kind of don't even need to blend it in. But look at that, right? Now we're only in this 6 minutes. Hello, how great is that? Now, if you have extra time, I will say put a little gloss on top of your lipstick, just like this. Look at that. Okay, right? I mean, these Zoom videos, you're getting a message. Oh, Zoom video in 15 minutes, Zoom video in 5. Like, hello, we gotta be ready. And your hair, I had just your day before hair, just take a curling iron and just put a couple curls, even in the front. Like, no one's gonna see the back of your hair, right? So just do the front of your hair, right? Get a statement necklace on. And again, get those readers out. Hello, I'm ready for business. I'm professional. And there you have it. Again, don't forget to subscribe. I've got a million videos that you're gonna love. I've got lots of hot tips. And if you like this video, hit the like button, go down in the right-hand corner, hit the subscribe button, and until next time, love you guys. Bye.